Ooh, let's get hungry together, shall we? You are looking at the perfect potato combo, soft on the inside with crispy edges and topped with a dollop of fresh pesto. Now, these are smashed, not mashed. Elena Davis is joining me in the kitchen to share her recipe for pesto smashed potatoes. What are the smashed?
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the Italian word, of course, and because it's so fun to say. So, patate schiacciate.
Oh, fun.
Schiacciate con pomodori, which is tomatoes,
okay,
and pesto.
So this is an Italian dish.
Yes, and so it's kind
Clearly.
of Italian fusion a little bit.
Okay.
But schiacciate means to smash.
Okay.
And so that's what we're doing. But this is kind of a fun take on, like, instead of a potato salad, you can bring this to your barbecue or, you know, summer picnic, and it's easy to make ahead. I've made this ahead, and it's just so pretty too.
Well, and it speaks to, as we talk about recipes and what makes food good and great, I mean, texture plays a role. This speaks to the flavor and the texture and the technique that you're gonna show us.
Yes, and sometimes I even add a little bit of chopped nuts on top, which is optional.
Yeah.
So here we go. So I have boiled little potatoes. You wanna use the little ones. They have the most flavor. And I like the baby yellow Yukon Gold ones.
Boiled?
Yeah, so these are boiled. And now we're gonna you can take a cup, you can take a spoon, and we're just gonna smash them like
Look at that, there's that texture.
Yes, and so when these get covered in a little bit of olive oil, and then they get roasted in the oven.
Oh, Elena, yum.
That gives so much more surface for, like here, for the potatoes to get crispy, and I leave the skin on for the crispy skin.
Why have we never done this before? And you're saying,
oh
well,
my
we have.
Gosh.
I have. I've been doing this.
Yes, and so if you want, you can even do this with olive oil and herbs. You can do so many different varieties of this.
Can I smash?
Yes.
Do I get to smash? This feels like therapy too.
It is. That's what I was doing this morning.
It's
just
like
smash, smash,
Play-Doh,
smash.
kind of.
Yes,
but
exactly.
edible.
So, and then you just have all those nice edges that are, I'm gonna pour a little bit of olive oil on here. And then I'm gonna slide it around.
It's a generous amount.
Yes, it is very generous. And because you want it to get really nice and crispy. And then I'm gonna add these tomatoes, which are going to add not only flavor and color. I like to use the medley that has like all the different colors.
Hold on, I'm smelling summer. Are you smelling summer?
I know, yes. And just wait, this is the ultimate.
It's hitting me. I'm having a moment.
This is the ultimate right here.
Oh my gosh, take me away. Yes.
Right?
Yum.
It's just the basil and this just reminds me of Italy. I just can't wait to go there.
Okay, for me it's just, you know, Utah in the summertime. But for her it's Italy.
Yes, but that's great.
One person's Utah is another's Italy.
And this meal will take you there, so don't worry. We're all going on this journey together.
I love it. So you
So
roast.
now we're gonna roast these until nice and golden and crispy edges and all of that.
Yeah.
You can serve it under a little bit of arugula for a pop of color. And then we are going to just top it with our homemade or store-bought pesto. I have two pesto recipes. I have an arugula pesto and then your traditional basil pesto.
And do you drizzle when it's warm?
Either. Yep. And so this can be served warm or cold.
I don't want to get crazy, and we certainly wouldn't need it with all the texture and flavor going on, but we could cheese it up.
You could.
I mean...
Absolutely. You could totally add some parmigiano, mozzarella, a little bit of cheese would just be perfect. How about some little bocconcini? That'd be so good. Fresh mozzarella.
Feeling this. Serve it with your protein, and you have yourself a perfect pre-summer meal.
Yes. Or serve it with your grilled meats. You know, it's just so versatile.
All right, Elena, thank you. This recipe available for you on our website. We'll link you over to Elena's where you can get all sorts of Italian fusion and inspiration. Tell us where we can connect with you.
Yes, cucinabyelena.com website. Sign up, subscribe there, and I'll get you all the new recipes. And then I'm on Instagram every day.
Yes.
So come over, message me, and say hi.
She's got some great products, too, to help you feel more chefy in the kitchen.
Yes,
so I love that you hook us up in all the ways.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thanks. So fun.